Hey guys, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and this is the $25 business that I've started. And very quickly, I was able to turn that $25 into, you can see, $6,461. Let me refresh this page that you can see this is not some sort of fake numbers. This is my account. This is one of my second account. I've got a big account together with my wife, and this $25 business model has allowed me to earn this $6,461.60, and this is a recurring income that I'm getting month after month, right? You can see the date range here from September to October. I was able to earn this amount of money just by that $25 business that I've started. And you can also see there's people of all walks of life actually getting success. You can see Michael, he made $20,000 also with the $25 business. And we got Ace, he also made $20,000 using this exact $25 business model. We got Jonas, right? He made $5,286, and this is recurring income, by the way, right? So month after month after month after month, you'll be getting this amount of income coming into your bank account every single month, which is just awesome, right? And you can see Brett, he made $5,546, right? We got Sarah, you can see, like, so 2 weeks ago, I took the HBA trial, right? And she was able to switch that $25 business in just 2 weeks and made $900 within a very short amount of time, right? So people of all walks of life are getting huge amount of success just by using this $25 business model, right? So what this actual system is, this is a funnel builder tool which is $25, right? And in here it can actually shows you how you can actually build funnel. I'm not a very technical person, right? So I was started with the $25 pack. Now using the system and strategy inside the training, I was able to convert that $25 into $6,000, right, within a very short amount of time, right? So this is like a funnel builder tool which actually pays you recurring income, right? Just like ClickFunnels charges about $120 to $99, but this system actually charges you $25 plus it pays you recurring income, right? So this is how it actually looks like. This is like the funnel that I created. So when people come into my funnel, they enter their name and it gets stored on the back end, and they start getting automated emails sent to them, right? So that's how we actually make sales. That's one of the ways you can be earning income from this system, right? Let me show you on the inside what it actually looks like. We have this funnel builder tool, right, which actually teaches you how you can actually build a funnel, right, which pays you recurring income month after month, right? Just like all these people, right, in here, Brett, Jonas, Ace, Michael, and these people are nothing, they have nothing special, right? They just followed the simple system and that allowed them to be earning this amount of commission, right? And you can see my account, $6,461, right? So this is a funnel builder tool, and in here we have like a lot of training for complete newbies, people who actually didn't make any sales online. They are able to earn that income, residual income, using this exact same system, right? We have funnel builder tool, and we also have like a traffic package in here. In here, they teach you all these different strategies. We have free methods. We also have paid methods, right? Solo ads, Facebook ads, Facebook paid ads. So a lot of different ways how you can actually drive traffic into the funnel, right? So very simply, these are only 2 steps that you need to take for you to get started with this amazing system, right? Step 1 for you is sign up on the link below this video, right? The first link, which will be the all-in-one business model link, right? And when you just click on that link, it will actually take you to this page, which will just look like this once you enter all your details, right? Once you enter your details, it will just take you to the page, right? And this page will actually guide you what the system is, right? So this is the exact same system. Click the link, right? This is all-in-one business model. You can see a lot of results and testimonials from everyday people, right? You can see 1 sale per week can turn into $74,000. 2 sales per week can turn into $149,000. 3 sales per week can turn into $224,640 per year. How many business model do you know which allows you to be able to do that, right? And this is ongoing residual income that you're going to be earning, right? So when you click the link just beneath the first link, click that link, it will take you to the all-in-one system, right? So you're just gonna go to that all-in-one business model system in here, right? And you can just click on any of this green button, right? Any of this green button. And when you click this green button, it will actually take you to this page, which is the checkout page. So enter all your name, details, make sure it's all the correct details, and the company will also send you password on your email address, right? So make sure you put all the correct details. But the company also give you free 14 days trial for the premium traffic package, right? So I highly recommend you to get that as well, right? And it's free, you can cancel anytime. So make sure you tick this box. After you have ticked that box, you can just click on this and go ahead and do the checkout. And after you have done that, make sure you message me on Facebook, right? Link will be in the description, the second link, right? And all you have to say, I signed up for $25 program, and I will send you my team bonus. I'll send you my marketing asset to help you making sales with this amazing system, right? We have training inside the system, and you get solo ads, which is just a push button strategy. But the way I do it is a little bit different. I will give you my marketing strategies on TikTok and also for YouTube ads, right? Which is converting really, really well. And you can see the results that I have, right? All the strategy that I am used, I will be able to send it to you so you can get the same amount of results that I'm getting. So it's going to be like a copy and paste method, right? Very, very simple method, simple way for you to get traction. And we also have about 6,600 members inside the group. So they support each other. Any questions they have, they reach out to people in the group. And I will also give you my personal bonus as well, right? So again, thank you so much. And click the first link beneath this video, right? And when you are in, message me on Facebook, and I will be able to help you out. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you on the inside. My God bless you.